Here we go. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. I'm not rooting for this, but this might be the shortest heat of the event. We're down to just one. This Hawaiian Hammer. If you're just joining us, that's the same feed that he is flying with. You're here for my 3-part story about driving through the snowstorm. Here we have the Hawaiian Hammer flying through the snowstorm. Now, it's not as prevalent in the goggles. The goggles are actually, this is blown up. This is 480 stretched to about 720p. And there's also a lot of adapters, so you're going to see more pixelation. It's not as bad in the goggles, but as you can see, it's pretty rough. And it's pretty incredible that these pilots are able to keep their focus and hit those gaps and hit those gates. That glitchiness or the signal reflections bouncing off the walls repeatedly back in and into the receivers. Yesterday, it was much more intense than this, and now it's a little bit better. We got a 61.8 opening lap for the Hawaiian Hammer. His best round came 2 rounds ago, where he got 3 laps in the 2 minutes allotted, did about 3 laps in about 2 minutes 40, just short of that. Now, if we were outdoors, I mean, you wouldn't see a flicker. You'd be able to read the gates. Here indoors, it keeps us out of the elements, but obviously the RF environment adding to the degree of difficulty here in flying, and boom, oohs and ahs right into the top of the gate. Now he is on his lid. He's going to try and recover remotely. He's pretty side down. He's back up again. He's back up again. And this is over the time. If you want to save the quad and save the lipo, the effort is not going to be as strong as round number 2. Be about 3 laps. Be over the time limit. But what a great effort! What do you guys do for the Hawaiian Hammer right there, huh? Didn't quit, didn't weaken.